Yeah, 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 yeah. Heidi ho, my little YouTubers. Okay, what are we doing today? This is a Commonwealth Games, Glasgow 50p. And any ideas what we're going to do with this today? We're going to turn it into a ring. Okay. First of all, yep, you guessed it. It's time for J-Lo. Here she is. J-Lo is my coin punch. And we'll go over to Big Bertha. And see what she's doing today. Oh, she's not wet today. That's good. Oh, there she's just got very wet all of a sudden. She's dripping all down there. I think Big Bertha and J-Lo have got something going on together. Right. Okay. Oh, she undone herself. Right. I love 50p rings. They're my favourite. You might be hearing some clicking going on. It's my glass kiln. I'm doing some glass as well today. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. Just cleans up the edges, make sure there's no cracks forming. How's everybody doing today? Good? Good. That's nice to know. Hope you're having a lovely day, or a lovely morning, or a lovely evening, wherever you're watching this from. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button. And the like button. There's loads of buttons you can press. Costs you nothing. And it makes me feel warm and secure and, you know. This is called annealing. I think that's more than enough. Okie dokie. Right. Yeah, I'm definitely getting low on kitchen roll. I should have bought another one in. Okay. So this is a 17-degree folding die. And we now want to fold it. So I think obviously this is going to have to be sunny side up on the ring. Don't you agree? Yep, I do as well. So this goes face down. Make sure it's nice and level. I'll go over to Big Red. Big Bad Red. Yeah, that's good. Level it up a bit more. Okay. Let's break up Sandy. We just want to clean up that edge, make sure it's free of cracks and splits and stuff like that. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to go over to Spike and we'll this is a ring stretcher, and yeah, it does what it says on the can. It stretches your ring. So if you've got a ring that needs stretching, come and see me. How's it looking? Doing a bit more love though. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video. Hit that. It costs you nothing and you're subscribed. Getting colder here now. Not in this particular room though, we've got the kiln going crazy. That's about, what was it? Let's have a look. It's 680 degrees C at the moment. Of course I've got Bernie going off all the time. She go crazy. Right, let's give it a bit more love. I've taken a little bit of the zoom away. What do you think? Or do you want it back to how it used to be? A few people said it's too much. There you go, that's pretty good. So, what we're going to do now, let's fit in here. Probably not. No. Right, this one. No. In that case, we'll go straight over to the bottom end of Spike. God, my table's a mess today. Bloody, I was cutting tons of glass yesterday. I'll try and get ready for my Christmas market, hopefully. Oh, look at that, first time. I think that's straight. Let's have a check with my eye. Aye. Aye, Captain Noir. Yeah, I think that's pretty sexy. Right. Has it got a lip in it? No, this one hasn't. So, let's break out Kate Bush. And, oh, she's just back from the hairdressers, looking sexy as ever. I think it's because J-Lo turned up, so Kate Bush is trying to, you know, compete with her. But there's no comparison, is there, really? Kate Bush or J-Lo? Yeah, J-Lo's going to win. Right, how's that looking? Quite nice, eh? Loads of legs everywhere. Legs. Legs. Legs, long legs. Yeah. And that is why you use the kitchen roll. Here it wants to focus again. There you go. Elizabeth. Right, let's chuck some polish on it. But first of all, let's take out our little darling, Kate, and put in Felton John. Right. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com, if you want to. If you don't want to, then don't check it out. But if you're looking for a ring, a custom ring, I can do that for you. I've got loads of different coins. You can mail me or leave a comment, see what I've got. There's loads of rings in my shop. I can adjust the size for you up or down. I do clear coat my rings now, but I don't clear coat them till I've sold them. Because if you used to want this one and you wanted it a size smaller or larger, it's going to ruin the clear coat. So I wait now until I've sold the ring. Then, once you're happy with the size, I then clear coat it. Right, clean the Mandy Pandies and get out Felton. A bit more, please, a bit more power. Come on. Ouch. That's a bit warm, that. It's a bit toasty. It's a little bit toasty. Right, what we got? Yeah, so if you've got any coins at home that have got some sort of sentimental value to you, you can chuck them in the post to me and I'll make you a nice ring out of one of them. Or two of them, however many you want to send me. Right, how's that looking? Pretty damn good, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Isn't that nice? I love it. And it always measure from the reeded side of the coin. This isn't reeded, it's milled, but scalloped edge, but same thing. So I think it's part of the coin. EU sizes is a 64. I can adjust them for you. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for hitting the like button. Thanks for hitting the subscribe button. Have a great day, morning, evening, wherever you're from. And stay safe. Thanks a lot. Catch you tomorrow. Tubby bye-bye.